Deep in the rainforests of Central and South America, there lives a creature that seems almost unreal. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary frog resting quietly on a leaf in the darkness of the jungle. Small. Silent. Fragile. But look closer. Its skin begins to disappear. Its body becomes nearly transparent. And suddenly, you can see straight through it. Its organs. Its beating heart. Even parts of its skeleton. This is the glass frog. One of the strangest animals ever created by evolution. Most animals survive by fighting, running, or hiding. But the glass frog developed a completely different strategy. It became invisible. During the day, glass frogs sleep underneath leaves, exposed to birds, snakes, and countless predators. For a small frog, being seen usually means death. So evolution gave the glass frog an almost supernatural ability. Transparency. Its lime green back blends perfectly with surrounding leaves, while the underside of its body becomes so clear that light passes through it. From above, the frog's outline nearly disappears into the vegetation. To predators searching from a distance, the frog stops looking like an animal and starts looking like part of the leaf itself. But scientists discovered something even more incredible. The transparency of the glass frog is not constant. It changes. At night, when the frog is active, its body becomes less transparent. Blood flows normally through its organs and veins as it climbs through the rainforest searching for insects. But during the day, while resting, something extraordinary happens inside its body. The frog removes most of its red blood cells from circulation. Normally, red blood cells make animals visible because they strongly absorb light. Human blood, for example, is impossible to hide. But glass frogs somehow pack nearly 90% of their red blood cells into their liver while they sleep. Imagine storing almost all the blood in your body into a single organ without dying. For most animals, that would create deadly blood clots instantly. Yet the glass frog survives effortlessly. With its blood temporarily hidden away, its body becomes dramatically more transparent, helping it vanish into the leaf beneath it. Scientists were stunned when they discovered this. Because the glass frog is doing something modern medicine still struggles to understand safely. Controlling blood circulation without causing fatal clotting. Researchers now study these frogs hoping to learn new ways to prevent dangerous blood clots in humans. Which means this tiny rainforest animal may one day help save human lives. But the glass frog's story becomes even stranger during reproduction. Male glass frogs guard eggs laid underneath leaves hanging above rivers and streams. They protect them from insects, parasites, and other hungry predators. Sometimes for days without eating. Then, when the eggs hatch, tiny tadpoles fall directly into the water below where the next stage of their lives begins. But despite all these incredible adaptations, glass frogs remain extremely vulnerable. Because the rainforest itself is disappearing. Deforestation, climate change, pollution, and disease continue destroying the habitats these animals depend on. Some species of glass frogs are already endangered, and others may disappear before humans fully understand them. And that may be the most tragic part of all. Because hidden deep inside Earth's forests are creatures with abilities so extraordinary they seem almost impossible. Animals that can manipulate light, control blood in ways science barely understands, and evolve survival strategies more advanced than human technology. Yet many of them may vanish before most people even learn they exist. The glass frog reminds us of something important. Nature is not just filled with animals. It is filled with biological miracles. Tiny living experiments shaped over millions of years by evolution itself. And somewhere tonight, beneath a rainforest leaf in the darkness, a nearly invisible heart is still beating.